guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a really exciting video. A pack with me. You guys love these. I love these. Who doesn't love a good pack with me video? And I'm super excited. We're taking our first international trip in a year and a half. We are headed to New Orleans in Florida, and I wanted to film a little like pack with me for a beach vacation video. Also, if you can hear the hold music, it's because I've been on hold with United for over an hour, but super excited to film a little pack with me today. I'm taking a carry-on only, and honestly, I'm just so excited. So let's just jump into it. I just got my nails done also for the first time in like a year and a half. So I'm living life right now, but let's go ahead, grab my suitcase, grab my purse, everything like that, since we do have a little bit more to pack this time with like COVID tests and all that stuff. But I'm super excited. We've got some fun elevator music to listen to, and honestly, let's just jump into it. Oh, I picked up this clothing rack when we redid my office a few weeks ago, and I love it because I pretty much have all or most of my outfits laid out here in terms of like shirts and dresses. I just need to kind of grab some jeans and pants, but I'm determined this trip to not overpack. So let's see if I can do it. But first, let's go find my suitcase. I have no idea where it is. So I have my carry-on laid out, and then this is just like obviously like underwears, bras. This is my airplane outfit, just an airy matching set, pajamas, and then these are all my pants I'm bringing. So I'm bringing a pair of Lululemon shorts, one pair of jeans, which I honestly don't think I'm gonna need. I'm just bringing them in case, and then 2 shorts because I really want to try and not pack a ton. Like I can just rewear these 2 shorts. It's really not a big deal. So that's kind of stuff that's not hanging up that we're bringing. Okay guys, and now we're just gonna pick out what we're bringing. So like I said, basically my plan is to bring 2 shorts and then just different shirts, as well as some dresses because I think it'll be warm, because we're really gonna only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in New Orleans. That's 3 days. Thursday is a travel day, so I'll just wear like this probably, and then we're gonna be on the beach Friday and Saturday, and I'll just wear my airport outfit back home. So I really only need like 3-4 days of full outfits, and like I can totally rewear stuff when we get to Florida. So definitely my resort shirt from Zara, because this clothes are the best. Like I can wear this as a beach cover up, but I can also just wear it as like a shirt tucked into shorts. So I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna bring my airy exercise dress because I love this thing so much. It's so comfy, especially for like sightseeing. I'm gonna bring this striped tank. Once again, that's like an outfit I can wear with the shorts. Same goes for this shirt, a nicer shirt I can wear out to dinner with the shorts. What's this? Oh, I didn't wash that in time. Just a black bodysuit. Once again, can just wear it with the shorts. This dress will probably be like a little night out dress. I'm gonna bring that one. What else? Another shirt. Once again, I can wear with the shorts. So bringing different shirts, but kind of the same pair of shorts. Between this, I feel like this is like very New Orleans, like it's bright and fun, or this red one. I don't really know. The other one might be a little bit more lightweight, so I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this one. And everything that we're gonna bring, so I'm gonna put this down. Little cropped tank tops is always super great, so I'm gonna bring that. So now the fun part, we can get to packing. Plan is to do obviously one side clothes, the other side miscellaneous stuff. I feel like I should probably also go get my shoes, but I'll do that later because we're going out tonight. So I don't have any packing cubes. I'm not a packing cube kind of gal. I'm just old-fashioned. So let's just start, I guess, rolling stuff up. To pick a bathing suit, I have my box of bathing suits. I think 3 is a good number to bring. Yeah, I think 3 is a decent amount. All of my bathing suits are airy. Okay, I'm definitely gonna bring the red. It's my favorite. It's just a plain top like this, and I think these are just high-waisted bottoms, so I'm gonna bring that one. The black crossover bottoms, because these go with a lot, which I feel like is a tip when you're packing, is like pick bathing suits you can mix and match. But I also really love the blue. Do this striped top, black tie top, maybe this one too. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this one too. Okay, so those are all my bathing suits. I'm gonna just put those probably, I don't really know where to put these. Let's leave these here for now and like let's go pack our toiletries, because then I think we'll have a better idea of where this stuff can go. Welcome to my bathroom. Okay, so I have one of these packing things, and then in terms of what I'm gonna bring, so I'm definitely gonna bring my straightener, my curling wand, which I should probably like rewrap better. I'll bring a clip just in case. I'm going to go ahead and put all of my makeup and stuff in here. I'll just time lapse that because it's like not very exciting. I can show you guys after, but I'll put all my makeup and stuff in here and then I'll show you guys what's in it. I got you, you got me, we are too lucky. I got you, you got me, we are too lucky. I got you. Next thing we're gonna do is my carry-on bag. I have the Vouré. I don't know what bag this is right there. It's the Avenue bag. I really like it, so I'm gonna show you guys what we put in there. Carry-on purse, which is the festival bag from Lululemon. I'm only bringing this one instead of my Everywhere Belt bag because we have a lot of stuff to bring with us, like form. So I'm gonna bring this. I'm at my desk to do this because I think that's the best way because of like all my electronics. So I need these wipes, hand sanitizer for sure. And then I'm still debating whether or not which wallet I'm gonna bring. I think I'm gonna bring the smaller one, honestly. So I just have ID in here, and then I have, I think, like 4 credit cards. So it's just the little Minnie Mouse one from Kate Spade. Yeah, I think smaller is probably better. Matt's passport. Here is my passport. I'm gonna put it actually in its case so I don't forget whose is whose. We have 1 passport, 2 passports. So I'm gonna put those in the bag as well. Forms. Okay, so my vaccination record, Matt's vaccination record, and then these are our negative COVID tests. So those are important. Data driver's license, that's a good idea. I'm just gonna put the American money. There's like this right at the front. I'm just gonna put it in there for like easy access since we do have a long travel day. So that's in there, and that's good. And like obviously my phone will go in it after, but okay friends, we are on the floor again. So we have purse packed. Oh, I have a bunch of masks. I'm gonna put those in my backpack. I am gonna bring my Everywhere Belt bag just in case, like on the days we're at the beach I don't need a full purse. I am gonna bring this. I'm just gonna put it in my suitcase. Okay, things that I have that are fully charged that I don't need to charge tonight. Apple Watch, we're good for that. So I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Luckily this backpack has a ton of pockets, which I really like. So extra memory card there. Oh, I'm gonna bring these. They're just like the old-fashioned headphones for the plane. An extra phone charger. My AirPods, I think I'm just gonna put those right into my backpack. Except I have an extra one here. Oh, my computer charger. My computer is 100% charged. I honestly don't think I'll go on it for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. Okay, what else? Word hunt book going in the backpack. My Kindle, which I don't really know where it is. Oh, my water bottle, bringing this one from Brewmate. I would typically bring something like this, but I don't like bringing things that have straws because it grosses me out that like people might touch it. Because it kind of goes down. Plus I like bringing a bigger one on the plane because I know I probably won't drink that much water, so stick that in there. My phone charger I can put in the morning. Usually I'll put my makeup and stuff in my bag because honestly I'd say 9 times out of 10 that I've flown, they've checked my carry-on bag for free because they don't have any room on the plane. So I kind of have a feeling that might happen. So I like to put my makeup in my backpack. That way it doesn't get like squished and stuff, but we'll see. Honestly, don't think I'm gonna use my computer before we go. Like, it's already 2:40, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there. I should probably grab a case for it though. Yeah, I just have this like little case from Amazon. Even though I have a padded case, I just feel like you can never be too protected with your computer, you know? So stick that in there, and then this is just my port and my hard drive. This is just gonna go in the main spot so I can grab it easily. What else? What else am I missing? I knew I was forgetting something. Jewelry. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put it in my little, maybe I should grab a little bag for my jewelry. I feel like that might be a smart idea, not put it right in my makeup bag. Here where my jewelry organizer is, so we're just gonna use an Olaf Ziploc baggie. Okay, I'm not like a huge jewelry person, honestly. I'm bringing this little ring from Ana Luisa. All this is from Ana Luisa, I think, actually. Kind of like medium-sized hoops. These are like my everyday earrings, so just these like little braided hoops. These two. I'll bring these ones too. These are like a braided hoop, but they're not as thick and they're bigger. Honestly, I think that's it. So the Ziploc works perfect. Alrighty. Oh, my perfume. Can I bring my perfume? Is this a good size? I'm also gonna bring my perfume. Hopefully I'm allowed to do that. Oh, I think deodorant would be important. Let's bring that. Here we just have like all of my makeup, which is like very straightforward. And then on this side I have my moisturizer, which is just this one. It's just a new one. It's Holy Hydration. And then I have my perfume, my jewelry. I have an Apple Watch band. It's just a rubber one because the one on my watch right now is like the leather. So I just want to have a rubber one because when it's hot out. I have some acne patches, a claw clip, some emergency. This is my face wash. You guys saw me pour it, a clip, and makeup wipes. So very, very simple. Just gonna close that up. Same goes for like my toothpaste and my toothbrush. I'll bring that after. I also have this like little mini dry shampoo I just found, so I'll just stick that in somewhere. And with my makeup, why not? There we go. Alrighty guys, and then shoes. I have like plain black flip-flops I'm gonna bring, but I'm also gonna bring my besties, which need to be cleaned real bad, and then my Converse. So walking shoes, I think I'm gonna wear my Converse on the plane, so I'm gonna put those there. I can't believe I almost forgot my new hat. I bought this cute straw hat for the trip and I almost forgot it. This is the most chaotic packing video ever. Where this is gonna go. I feel like I feel like it's gonna get smushed. Do you wanna help mommy pack? Are you helping mommy pack? Are you a good packer? My own life hack. What if we put stuff in the bottom of our hat so it doesn't like squish? I'm gonna put my bathing suits in here. I don't know if this hack is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. So smart. I just put everything in my hat and then I put it in upside down and then I put bras and stuff around it so that it wouldn't lose its shape. I'm brilliant. We're gonna eat like our meals in the airport because you can't bring open food like crossing the border, but I'm gonna bring some Built Bars and some Smart Sweets for us to snack on because we have 4 flights tomorrow. What? Put all of our snacks in here. Voila.